Hey, what's up, guys? TFAE here, and this is actually the review of the new sheriff in town, the Oppo Find X2 Pro. Yeah, it's in town, baby. The Oppo Find X2 Pro. And before we get there, let's actually review the first generation of this particular phone, which is actually the Oppo Find X. This phone actually motorized most of its essential part, which actually motorized the earpiece, the selfie camera and also motorized the back camera. But and because of that, they gave the Oppo Find X a very beautiful full display. Keeping in mind it was also a curved screen. There was no any interruption of cut off selfie camera, punch hole camera, or even a notch. And but that phone had a disappointment because it was such an expensive phone, but it was not, waterproof or dust proof. On the other hand, it was very delicate because when you're making a call and the phone falls because the mouthpiece is motorized. So when you make a call and the phone falls down, actually it may damage, the motor. So that was my disappointment on that particular phone. But we are not talking about the Oppo Find X or the first generation of the Find X. So let's jump over to the new captain in town, the Oppo Find X2 Pro. The display of this phone is marvelous. It's actually 6.7-inch OLED bezel-less, on the sides and also punch-hole display. And also it's a all infinity display because of the punch-hole selfie camera on the left side of the screen. And without forgetting, it has got a resolution of 1440 by that 168 pixel, and all of that display is covered by a gorilla glass, which is actually V6. Its operating system is actually the latest Android, which is actually Android 10 or Android V10, and it's run on a chipset of the 865 Snapdragon, and its RAM is actually very huge, which is actually 12 gigs of RAM, which will actually make this phone very fast. It's 4G network and also it's dual SIM. I don't know why they did put this phone dual SIM, but I'm not a fan of dual SIM. I prefer using two phones like I actually do. But yeah, it has got dual SIM, and the most normal thing or the most usual thing that has come to be this year in the world of smartphone is that it has got 128 hertz refreshing rate. That means this phone is gonna be very effortless in every action that you command in this particular phone. So that has been the performance of that particular phone, which is actually very sensational. The multimedia of this phone actually they are it has got USB Type C, a loudspeaker, and audio features of this phone is actually Dolby Atoms. The cameras of this particular phone they are actually stunning because it has got a selfie camera, which is actually that 2 megapixel, the back cameras, which is actually the primary camera, which has got 48 megapixel, the telephoto, which is actually 12 megapixel, and the ultra wide angle, which is actually 13 megapixel. I think the megapixel in a camera is almost to 50% that matters, but above 50% actually what matters is actually the lenses. But because this phone is the Oppo's high headphone, I think the Oppo company have invested a lot of money so that they can bring the best lenses in this particular phone. So this phone has got the best lenses with a very huge megapixel. That means these photos of this particular phone, or the photos that are gonna be taken by this phone, the Oppo Find X2 Pro, they're gonna be very sensational. The battery of this particular phone, speaking for myself, is a little bit quite small. I don't know, but for all that amazing features, the 6.7 inches OLED display, the 120 hertz refreshing rate with 4200 milliamp hours. That battery to me is a little bit small, but to some it's very huge for that particular phone. So yeah, that it has got 4200 milliamp hours. So this has been the review of Oppo Find X2 Pro, and when the time it's gonna be launched in my country, which is Kenya, I will actually go, or I'm gonna approach the Oppo Kenya if I will be, granted to access that particular phone when they're gonna be, launching it here, so that I'm gonna capture some, some clips of it, or have an impression of that particular phone, and then I come over and then review it in a better way. So that has been, TFAE, reviewing the Oppo Find X2. So this channel is very young. I'm a upcoming YouTuber. So guys, subscribe, like, and dislike, and comment about this video or where I should, improve. So guys, subscribe. There's TFAE here. As always, the future with everyone. Peace.